What's up, YouTube? Today we are here with a heavily requested video. This is something you guys voted on. We actually took a poll and two Steezy Gang voted, and this is what the poll was. Would you guys rather see the Santa Cruz Cruiser unbox, a little CD graphic on there, or would you rather see the DGK unboxed? And what did we vote? Voted for the DGK. Let's get right into this thing. Alright, so first out we've got these awesome stickers. Love the colorways on these boys. Alright, put some more to my fence. Add some more to my little fence I made. And kind of has those like the loose trucks you'll kind of get when you open a new TechDeck. I usually recommend this to people who are new. Give it like a cup, like make it snug. And don't like go crazy with it, but at least kind of make it snug. That's at least how I like to ride. And I always like, like the pros. Same thing with real skating. I always like my front truck a little less tight than the back. Loving the graphic though. This thing is solid. I'm not gonna do any cuts. You can see the wax on there from the rail. Love the graphic. Love that medium concave style. These are sweet. I would still rock with the TechDeck. I know some of you guys don't. And I know I should probably fix the placement of my rail because it's a little too close. Probably be what I'm gonna be doing next episode. That thing is on there though. I don't think I'm gonna move it. Been kind of lazy and not popping my tricks lately, but stay steezy, guys. This is the DGK. Pretty sweet. I'll give it a 8 out of 10 at least. Stay steezy, gang.